What's up, mi gente? It's your boy Freddy, and I'm coming to you from the spookiest city in America during October and the filming location of Hocus Pocus. Yes, you named it, Salem, Massachusetts. In this video, I'm going to give you my top recommendations of what to do and see when visiting this amazing city. Now, if you haven't done so already and you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Well, without further ado, check it out. My first recommendation in this video is to visit the Samantha Stevens statue, which honors the character from the sitcom Bewitched. Erected in 2005, this 6-foot-tall statue depicts Elizabeth Montgomery, who played Samantha, riding a broom in front of a crescent moon. Bewitched filmed several episodes in Salem after a fire temporarily closed its Hollywood set. Be sure to arrive early, as this statue is a popular spot for selfies and group photos. Have breakfast at the Gulu Cafe. Established in 2005, this popular spot offers locals and tourists a wide selection of craft beer, coffee, and light food. During my visit, I enjoyed the lumberjack, which included a Belgian waffle, scrambled eggs, and sausage. I added a coconut cream latte to complete my meal, and it was absolutely delicious. Be sure to arrive early, as the cafe fills up quickly, with wait times over 30 minutes. When you're in Salem, I highly recommend stopping by. This is the Witch House, home of Judge Jonathan Corwin and one of the few buildings in Salem with direct ties to the Salem Witch Trials of 1692. Be sure to order your tickets in advance, as this often sells out quickly. For a fee of $14.64, you can tour the interior, see how it looked like in the 1600s, and learn about the dark histories of the Salem Witch Trials. The museum also highlights what sorts of spells, ingredients, and potions a witch might have used many years ago. Unfortunately, videos were not allowed, but here are some photos to give you a glimpse. This museum is definitely a favorite amongst locals and tourists. It's a must-see when you visit Salem. Just a short 20-minute walk from the center of Salem lies Proctors Ledge. Opened in 2017, this memorial honors the 19 victims who were falsely accused of witchcraft and hanged for their alleged crimes. The semicircular memorial wall features the name of these 19 victims engraved in stone. Directly above the memorial is the actual Proctors Ledge, also known as Gallows Hill. It was the true site of the Salem witch hangings. For many years, historians believed that this location was elsewhere, but in 2016, it was confirmed that these tragic events occurred right here. Located in the heart of Salem is Essex Street, a charming brick and cobblestone road lined with unique shops, galleries, museums, and restaurants. Be sure to explore each boutique, as they each offer their distinctive style and a variety of witch-themed goods for sale. During October, the street comes alive with people, including those dressed in spooky Halloween costumes posing for photos in exchange for tips. Essex Street is a focal point of Salem's character and charm, especially during Halloween, enhancing the city's magical atmosphere. It is absolutely worth a visit when you're in town. Explore some iconic Hocus Pocus filming locations. Did you know that half the movie was filmed right here in Salem? You can visit Town Hall, where the Sanderson sisters performed I Put a Spell on You, the old Salem High School where Max was denied Allison's number, and even Allison's house located on Essex Street. If you have time, take a walk around the backyard and enjoy the beautiful garden they have on display. Located in the heart of downtown Salem, Salem Common is an 8-acre public park that has served a communal space since the 17th century. It's a perfect spot for a relaxing walk, soaking up the sun, or even enjoying a pickup game of basketball. The park is surrounded by historical buildings, and during my visit, there were food concessions and games set up for the Halloween festivities. If you're in Salem during October, this is definitely a must-see. The Witch Dungeon Museum provides an immersive educational experience featuring a live reenactment of the witch trials followed by a guided tour of a replica dungeon. For a fee of $13, visitors are transported back in time to get a deeper understanding of the events of 1692. While videos were not permitted, here are some of the photos of the dungeon room to give you a glimpse of what you can expect. Located on Liberty Street is the Salem Witch Trials Memorial, opened in 1992. This simple yet powerful tribute honors the 20 victims of the 1692 witch trials. The memorial features a 4-foot-high granite wall surrounding 3 sides, with granite benches representing each victim. Each bench is etched with the victim's name, method of execution, and the date they were executed. The memorial serves as a place of respect and reflection during a dark time in Salem history. Next up is the Salem Witch Museum. For a fee of $17.50, visitors can experience the panic of the witch trials through the museum's animated dioramas and dramatic lighting displays. Although filming and photography are not allowed, I highly recommend securing your tickets in advance, as this attraction tends to sell out quickly in October. If you're visiting Salem, this museum is a must-see. Located in the Maritime National Historic Site is the Derby Warf Light Station, a historic lighthouse built in 1871. Standing at about 20 feet tall, the lighthouse offers a perfect spot to take photos and enjoy scenic views of the harbor. For my final recommendation, I'm going to say to have food and drinks at the Howling Wolf Daa. This Mexican restaurant and cocktail bar is located in the heart of Salem. They serve traditional Mexican dishes and offer a good selection of margaritas and specialty cocktails. During my visit, I enjoyed the Tres Amigos dish, which included grilled chicken, carne asada, and grilled shrimp. I added a margarita to complete my meal, and it was absolutely delicious. When you're in Salem, I highly recommend stopping by. And there you have it, my top things to do in Salem, Massachusetts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If I missed any of your favorite spots, bars, or restaurants, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to show me some love by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you never miss a new video. In my next video, I'll be coming to you from Memphis, Tennessee with my top recommendations, so stay tuned. As always, thank you for watching and happy travels.